Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Sammy and this is no longer Harley's Dollhouse. So for about a few months now I've been wanting to rebrand my name and now I will be called Electric Bunny. And I'll explain more about it later in the video. Now for the collab, this is a Spring Lolita collab hosted by Val Kitty's World. And also in the collab we have Clawstool Dolls, Claws Dolls, OK Nara, and Rocket Puppets. And I'll have everybody's video links down below, so make sure you go check out their videos as well because all their dolls are super stunning. And for my doll base, I will be using our personal model BJD. She has a few updates with knees and her legs don't look as pillowy as the demon doll I did for Valentine's Day, so she's looking a lot better. And I decided to do another Genshin doll. I am doing Yay Miko because I thought she would be perfect for the springtime and it is also Sakura season, so let's go ahead and make Yay Miko into a spring Lolita doll. And first I am going to start her wig. I made a wig cap with some nylon and Mod Podge. I prepared some pink yarn wefts and I'm just going to use Uhu glue to attach them to her wig cap. So as for the update for everything, I wanted to limit the confusion since my name is Sammy and my channel name and Instagram stuff like that was Harley's Dollhouse. So I just wanted to go ahead and change all that because before when I made it I wasn't planning on doing a YouTube and then I did it and now it's kind of growing and I just wanted to rebrand the whole entire thing. And also we are adding a VTuber as a persona to be on here, and also I want to start streaming on Twitch, so if you guys want to come hang out while I play some games or do some react videos, we will be doing that shortly and I think it'll be a lot of fun. I'm really excited for it and I hope you guys are also excited for it. Let me know what you guys think and what you guys think about the new name, and I am really excited to show you guys the VTuber model when she is done. So far she looks really cute and I'm really happy with her. It kind of took us a while to figure out what we wanted to change her up to because she is no longer a witch. We kind of went for a more like kawaii cyber vibe, so I hope you guys like it. And here's how her wig looks so far before I go through and cut it. It's actually not long enough. Yay Miko has really long hair, so following Hexion's tutorial that he did for I think Fluttershy, I'm going to create yarn extensions, and so yeah, let's go ahead and give her some longer hair. Using some strands of yarn here that I cut out to the length that I wanted. I have extra wefts and I still didn't have enough for some other things that I planned on doing with her, like making a tail, because I thought it'd be really cute to give Miko a tail, but that didn't work out. So we just kind of scrapped that for now. But anyways, I took my extra wefts and we're gonna wrap them around the yarn and we could glue them inside the wig under some hair. And after we finish her wig, let's go ahead and make Miko's ears. So I cut these out of Warbler and I'm just going to use my heat gun to kind of shape them into more of a fox-like ear shape, and I am going to glue some more wefts to her ears and trim them down. I did all the trimming down off camera just because I needed help with someone to hold one ear and me trim it down with a eyebrow archer. And once the wefts are all done and the ears are trimmed, we could go ahead and glue it to the side of her wig, just kind of space some hair off around it, and I used hot glue to hold them in place. And off camera I printed out Miko's accessories and painted them and then just glue them onto her wig. She doesn't usually have flowers in her hair, so I added those just because I thought it'd be really cute. And she's not gonna have her traditional outfit anyways because I made her a cute spring wall Lolita dress. And finally, we can now start her face. I sprayed her with Mr. Super Clear UV Flat Cut, and now I am using a pink pencil to sketch out her eye wrinkles and waterline. And then using a white charcoal pencil, I am going to create some highlights on the inner corners of her eyes. And also I thought it'd be really cute to give her some little teeths. And with the small applicator, I am using some pink pastel to put on her lips and her eyes. And using the same pink pastel, I am going to use that to sketch out her eyebrows. and the pink wasn't building up to how I wanted it, so I found these pastels on Amazon. They were pretty cheap. I'll leave a link down below for you guys. I'm going to use that middle one right there to try to darken it up. I didn't like how it was by itself personally. I mixed it with the pink and to me it looked much better and was what I wanted. Because I was kind of trying to get like a mauve color on her eyes. And using the darkest shade in that pack, I am going to smoke that out around her liner area on her eye. I'm trying to think what it's called, but just gonna smoke it around her eye. I didn't want to use black, but I also didn't want to use brown either, and I feel like this color was perfect. And now for her eyes, I did spray them with Mr. Super Clear, and I am going to brush some pink pastel in the eye and then blend it with some purple, and then we'll spray her eyes again. And after Mr. Super Clear is dried, I am going to use a little bit glue and add some black rhinestones to the pupils of the eyes. And unfortunately my UV resin spilled everywhere in my container box that I had it in. I didn't have any time to go buy a new bottle or to order one. Luckily I have this UV top coat which works just as well for the resin for the eyes, so I'll just put a little bit of that in and cure it underneath the UV lamp. And now that her eyes are done, let's pop them into her head. I am so happy with them. This is like probably like the fourth pair that I had to make, and they're so sparkly and pretty. And here's the dress I made. This is the Lolita pattern from DG Requiem. I've made this before for my Sakura Cow. I could leave that link down below for you guys. I used the rainbow high one and just upscaled it 118%, and it fit her perfectly. And for her obi, I'm just gonna glue some gold ribbon on this red piece of fabric I thought would be pretty, and I'm going to glue a gold bow and then add her little accessory to the obi. The accessory I'm gluing on was usually for a necklace that she wears, but I thought it looked cute on her obi instead. And for her shoes, we printed these bases for her, and I was recording them, but majority of the time it was blurry. So here they are. I just glued some red ribbon and added some cute butterflies. Now let's see the finished doll. And here are all the finished dolls from the spring collab. Make sure you go check out their videos. I'll have their link down below. I love how they all turned out. They all look super cute. And what do you guys think about my Yay Miko doll? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, thank you so much for your love and support for my channel. It does mean a lot to me. And if you really like my art, make sure you like, share, hit the notification bell, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!